Introduction to Standard 11 Writing Skills. Hello, dear students and dear friends. First of all, I congratulate you all for passing the Standard 10th board exam with good marks and flying colors. I welcome you all to our very glorious and reputed junior college from the bottom of my heart. I also welcome you all to this modern and new online teaching and learning process. Friends, as you all know, due to very troublesome and dangerous corona pandemic, we cannot meet each other in our classrooms physically, and our teaching and learning process too cannot take place in our classrooms physically. But thanks to science and technology, just because of science and technology, we are able to start our online teaching and learning process. Friends, as this is my very first lecture for your class, I would like to introduce you myself. So first I introduce you myself, and then I will turn towards the introduction to the writing skills. Let me introduce you myself. I am A.B. Manure. I have been teaching the subject English since last 20 years to the students of junior college. Dear friends, in a week I have only one lecture for your class, and other 3 lectures are assigned to other professor. As I have only one lecture for your class in a week, I will teach you only section 3 writing skills from your textbook of English, along with other writing skills. Other parts of the syllabus and the textbook, like the prose lessons, poetry, grammar and drama, will be taken by other professor. Friends, there are 2 most important benefits of the writing skills in English. I repeat, as far as the writing skills in English are concerned, there are 2 most important benefits that you will have if you understand and practice these writing skills properly. And they are: number 1, writing skills is that part of your syllabus which will help you to score good and higher marks. Number 2, writing skills in English are really very helpful to you in your practical life too. Friends, there are 16 writing skills that you have to study this year in your syllabus of English. In section 3 writing skills of your textbook of English, you are given only 6 writing skills, and they are: number 1, 3.1 expansion of ideas for 4 marks. Number 2, 3.2 blog writing for 4 marks. Number 3, 3.3 email writing for 4 marks. Number 4, 3.4 interview writing, that is framing interview questions for 4 marks. Then 3.5 film review writing for 4 marks. And 3.6, that is number 6, 3.6 the art of comparing or writing the script of comparing for a program for 4 marks. Along with these 6 writing skills from your textbook, you have to study other 10 writing skills like number 1, summary writing for 3 marks. Number 2, note making, that is of completion task of note making for 3 marks. Number 3, mind mapping for 3 marks. Number 4, letter writing for 4 marks. Of course, this is formal type of letter for 4 marks. Number 5, appeal writing for 4 marks. Number 6, leaflet writing for 4 marks. Number 7, report writing for 4 marks. Number 8, speech writing for 4 marks. Number 9, view counter view writing for 4 marks. And number 10, dialogue writing for 4 marks. So these 6 from the textbook of English and these 10 along with these 6 given in the textbook of English. So thus these 16 writing skills that you have to study in this year are there in our syllabus of English. But dear friends, don't bother about this long list of 16 writing skills that you have to study this year. Out of all these writing skills, you must have studied certain writing skills till your standard 10th, and only some of the writing skills might be new to you. But you need not to be panicked regarding all these new writing skills. If you do the practice of all these writing skills as per my guidance and suggestions, surely you will find all these writing skills very easy. Friends, all these writing skills are not compulsory. Some of the writing skills are compulsory and some of the writing skills have options to each other. Now I tell you which writing skills are compulsory and which writing skills have the options. Number 1, summary writing. Summary writing of the given unseen passage is a compulsory writing skill for 3 marks. Number 2, note making for 3 marks. And number 3, mind mapping for 3 marks. Out of these 2 writing skills, that is note making and mind mapping, you will be given only 1 writing skill in the question paper, and of course that will not have option. So this is also for 3 marks. Then the rest of the writing skills have options to each other. For example, email writing will have the option of formal letter writing for 4 marks. And out of these 2, email writing or formal letter, you have to write only 1 for 4 marks. Secondly, expansion of ideas will have the option of blog writing and film review. So out of these three, that is expansion of ideas or blog writing or film review, you will have to write only one writing skill for 4 marks. Then thirdly, appeal writing will have other options like leaflet writing, report writing and view counter view writing for 4 marks. Means in simple words, out of these 4 writing skills like appeal writing or leaflet writing or report writing or view counter view writing, you will have to write only one. In your question paper, you will be given the questions and the activities based on all these 4 writing skills, but you will have to write only one out of these 4 for 4 marks. Then speech writing will have the option of comparing, dialogue writing and interview writing or framing interview questions for 4 marks. Means in simple words, out of these 4 writing skills like speech writing, comparing, dialogue writing and interview writing, you will have to write only one writing skill for 4 marks. Meaning in your question paper, you will be given the questions for all these options, you will be given the activities for all these options, but you will have to write only one question. You will have to write the answer of only one writing skill from these options for 4 marks. So thus this is what the writing skills in your syllabus of English this year for standard 11th are. So friends, I hope you will really enjoy all these writing skills nicely and heartfully. Here I stop, and in my next lecture I will discuss the summary writing first. So this is what the introduction of the writing skills in English. I just tried to introduce you all these writing skills basically, so that you will have the clear picture in your mind about all the writing skills that you have to study this year. But friends, don't underestimate all these writing skills, and don't think that you are quite masters in English language, you are quite conversant and fluent in English language and English subject, and all these writing skills are easy, and so due to overconfidence you students don't pay proper attention towards the writing skills, and as a result you lose good marks or you lose many marks in your very favorite subject of English just because of your overconfidence regarding this subject. But you also think that all these writing skills are very important to you from the point of view of your own personal and individual practical life too, that you are bound to live on this earth. So friends, we should stop here. From the next lecture onward, I will start with the summary writing. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. But before that, I would like to give you one most important suggestion and advice. If you have any doubt or any query, any problem regarding the syllabus of English or regarding any writing skill or regarding your study, you can ask me freely through WhatsApp on my personal mobile number, or you can call me directly to get your doubts clarified by me during the time 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. every day. So we should stop here. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you very much. All the best to all of you. Have a nice day.